Tell me how you love. Maybe I can speak a language. Tell me how you love.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, my name is Ariana. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Without further ado, let's get to this review. So the wig that I'm about to review is the Catalina wig, and it's from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the wig real quick. So, okay, this is, okay, well, all right. So this wig has an elastic band in it, which I've never seen already sewn into a wig. So that's pretty cool because I love elastic bands. Then there's a comb right here, another comb back here. I'm guessing this is probably right in front of the ear or behind the ear. Then you have the comb in the back and the adjustable straps that you normally have. So let's go ahead and try her on. And now she has a fixed part, so we're gonna see how that works out. She also has baby hairs. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try. This is so interesting. I have never, this is kind of cool, y'all. It's kind of cool. I mean, I'm not mad at it at all. Oh, this is extra roomy. Okay. Yeah, okay. All right. So we have her on. She feels very snug, very secure. She doesn't feel super tight, but she does feel secure. Now, I have not cut the lace yet. However, this right here, this wig, I'm gonna say, is big head friendly because it does come over my ears here. You can see there. So that just comes over my ear there, so I will have to cut that part off. But it's very comfortable though, and it's very thick. I'm actually surprised by the thickness of this wig. It's a really good density. So let's just go ahead and comb her out and see how Miss Catalina's doing, how she feeling. This is in the, okay, we're getting a little bit of snag here, but that's okay. All right. Y'all gonna have to excuse my shower comb, but you know, I don't really be using combs and brushes on my hair like that, so excuse. All right, so there was a little bit of tanglage, but nothing too crazy there. So now we'll go ahead and look at her being combed down. She is about bust length, so she comes right here to the bust there. Yeah, so, and this is a right, why am I holding this up like this? This is a right side part, which I love. That's how I always wear my parts, because my nose ring is on my right side, so I feel like my hair needs to go to the other side for symmetry. I don't know, y'all, I'm strange like that. Anyway, but this color is very golden, and it's really pretty. It's really pretty. I was kind of scared because this one has, I mean, it has, you know, the darker roots, which is great. But I was still concerned because I don't usually wear light wigs like this, but you know, she cool. So let's go ahead and, I'm just going to go ahead and comb her back, or brush her back probably. So we can see what this hairline is really looking like. Is it really melted, honey? Is it melted for real? Let's see. Let's see if she melted for real. Okay, so it's a closer look at the hairline there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but closer look at the hairline. Cannot wait to cut this lace off because it just irritated my soul so bad. So it is a side part, and let's see. Yeah, no, okay. So yeah, it's a standard side, it's a side part. You cannot part it any other way. So honey, if you do not want a side part, then this is not the wig for you, because you cannot part her anywhere else. There's nowhere else to part her. Even though it looks like a lace front, it's really just a lace part front. Something. Just, yeah, so. Oh goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna say that I am having some tangles, like whenever I move the hair around, I start getting tangles. Now this is a synthetic wig, so I mean I feel like it's doing pretty well for a synthetic wig, but I am finding some tangles though as I'm brushing through it. So you know, it is what it is there, but overall, I think this wig is pretty good. Like I said, it has a very nice density. I feel like this is a really good option for somebody who is, you know, more on a budget, but they want that, you know, like bundles type of look without like the super synthetic shiny shine look. Because I don't feel like this one is super shiny. I feel like it has a pretty natural luster overall, like more like human hair. I have on a light wig cap, and so because of that, you can see that line of demarcation, because I'm a nice chocolate person, and so you can see that line of demarcation there between the wig cap and my own skin color. So you'll just have to go through and, you know, get it real good with your foundation, and you should be good, no problem. But I will come back and show you guys the wig after I have cut the lace, worn it, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it overall at that point. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing with your life? If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are we doing? What are you really doing, guys? You know, just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.